So let's look at a practical scenario here. Imagine a quality control manager at a manufacturing plant doing a routine inspection of a newly produced batch. They need a structured way to mark off inspection points, record detailed findings, upload visual proof, and share it with their supervisor. In this case, they'll need checkboxes to confirm each inspection item, tables to organize measurement data, text boxes to provide specific remarks, and file upload fields to attach photos of any defects or observations he has found. So, can you show us how all of that comes together in Zoho Writer?
Definitely, Srini. Let me show you how to create a fillable form in Writer using these features that we just talked about. So in this case, as you can see, this is a fillable template that we have created in Zoho Writer from scratch. So if you have any existing templates or if you have any existing PDF forms, then you can simply make use of the option where you can upload it into Zoho Writer directly. So simply click on Upload Document and choose the required format and select the document and upload it. And we also have an excellent AI detection tool that will automatically insert fields into the document. So now let's talk about the fillable templates for this example. So here, as you can see, there are various fields and tables added into the document. And not only that, we have also added various conditions. So this is the header area in which we have added a condition that if the result contains pass or hold or fail, accordingly, based on the result, we have to display the content in the header region. So this is the first condition that we have inserted. And not only that, if the inspection level contains 1, then we have to display certain areas, or if it is 2, then display a different area. So using conditions, we are displaying various contents within the same document. And further, moving on, as you can see, we have inserted various drop-down fields, text boxes, and not to mention the image upload field where they can inspect machineries and then put in their images if required. And furthermore, as you can see, there is also a file upload field available. So if there are any reference documents that needs to be submitted within the form, they can simply use this option to upload the files directly into the Writer document, which will be stored in Work Drive. So this is how you can create a template. So let me just go to the area in which the form exactly looks like. So this is the fillable form. So as you can see here, right now it's mentioned as fail. So let me just go ahead and fill up some of these criteria over here. So let me select level 1. So as you can see, once I selected level 1, the content accordingly changed. So let me say there is a sample availability. Then you can see that the entire row is being newly inserted, where I'll be able to insert some images. So let me insert this image. And further, I am selecting the approvers and etc. And not only that, I'm just adding if it is pass or fail, and I'm adding the overall result as well. So here, once I add the overall result, so let's just say I have kept this on hold. So once I do this, you can see that the header area automatically changed to old. So similarly, if I input pass, so let's just say this is a pass. So here you can see that the content dynamically changed according to the input that I have given. And finally, if I have got any reference documents, I can simply upload them here and go ahead and. So here, as you can see, I have also got size restrictions. So based on the size restrictions, I can simply upload the file and go ahead and hit submit. So this is how you can go ahead and make use of this inspection report to make inspections within the manufacturing industry. And finally, what you can do is you can also make use of various output options. So in this case, what we are going to do is we are going to save this into a folder within Zoho Work Drive. So if you would like, you can also send it for email, or if you can simply put in sign-up fields and send this document for sign collection or various other options as well. And Not only that, you can also send these responses for approvals as well. So you can simply add an approver so that once the document is submitted by the inspector, it can just go to the manager who will be approving the content that is being filled out, and then the final action takes place. So that's about the inspection report.
Right. Thank you so much for that detailed explanation on the fillable form in Writer, Gautam. So we just saw how Writer can help quality control teams capture inspection data effectively.